Okay, so now let's move on to question 2. During a sports event, a competitor ran 26 kilometers and cycled 49 kilometers. How far did the competitor run and cycle altogether? So the key word to this question, okay, is ran 26 kilometers, cycled 49 kilometers. Okay, so what do we need to find out? Run and cycle all together. So this is very straightforward, right? If you are to draw a model, what kind of model do we use to represent this question? I think I hear some of you said part whole model, right? So I'm just drawing to show you. Okay, ran 26 kilometers. So this is a smaller part, right? And cycled 49 kilometers. Okay, so you can indicate R for ran and cycle C. Okay, so we're not comparing in this question. Therefore, we use part whole model. How do we find all together? So obviously, to solve this problem, we plus. So very simple. 26 plus 49 equals to, so again, draw a line down with a ruler. Show all your workings on the right hand side. Okay, I will not review the answer here. You key in your answer to do your own checking to check whether you have calculated correctly.